A young girl will be in the university at 19, 18, 19, 20. She starts dating a very rich guy.
Sometimes very old too.
Sometimes very old. Then, what you see along the line is that because the guy is very rich, maybe married, she refuses advances of other younger people to her. Because this guy has either gotten her a car and a house. So to her, she's operating at a very high level.
Okay.
From 22, she goes on to 24, and maybe even if she quarrels with this guy, she gets the next guy. Before you know it, she turns 25, 26, unmarried, because she's refusing the advances of younger prospective husbands.
That's a very serious one.
I'm telling you of a story I treated. It's called After 33. Now, she gets into 29, 30. By that time, she has left the university. And men are no longer maybe finding her that attractive. So she gets into 31, husband is not coming. And what do you have? At 23 is a flex. Okay. At 28, Uncle Sonny, she becomes a prayer point. At 33, she is now declared a state of emergency.
Chineke.
Because husbands will not come at that level of 33 years. And some of them get to 35. And you see them, and you still think that they are having fun. They're not having fun. They are now in a state of emergency, praying that God bring anyone.